Hi English learners, welcome to Jam Technique. Today's topic is unity. First, I would like to express my gratitude for this opportunity. Unity means oneness, togetherness, being together as one team, one family, one community. Unity is a fundamental aspect of our country's identity. Unity in diversity in India is living proof that despite different religions, cultures, languages, people of India live together with love and peace. One of the most significant benefits of unity is its ability to promote tolerance and understanding. Unity also plays a crucial role in the times of crisis such as natural disasters. People comes together to support each other, share resources and work towards a common solution. However, due to the selfish thoughts and actions of certain individuals, our unity is often compromised, which often lead to social tension and conflicts. Despite the strong tradition of unity, we are facing challenges such as religious extremism, social inequality, and regional disparities that can threaten national unity. So, educate yourself and have tolerance for others. Understand what is happening. Is that correct? Or someone is leading us into the darkness. Be alert. Always keep in your mind, unity is strength. Unity makes us strong. Unity gives us peace. United we stand, divided we fall. Be careful.